What's up, guys? Welcome back to DRAWDY RC. As you see today, I do have the Carbon Cub back out with us. RD has not flown the Carbon Cub in a couple of weeks now, so we were looking at her and said, hey, let's take her out and fly her. So RD's got the Carbon Cub today, gonna fly it a little bit. We do have the FW190, the BF109, and the 182 that we're gonna fly today as well. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, got a little bit of a breeze blowing. We got airplanes taking off behind us. Carbon Cub is going in the air soon. You'll stay with us. I'll put the battery in the Carbon Cub. See if I can get it out of the chair. There we are. It's a tight fit. Oh, we're gonna have a adapter. I forgot this one in the alrighty.
Gyro off. Stabilize mode.
Got some pretty good shadow. The Carbon Cub doing the dance. Y'all, we like the Carbon Cub. Have fun with it. It's a good flyer.
I don't think I'm gonna try any flat. I've got a good wind.
Yeah, it's windy today, guys. Here's the you'll see the sock.
Engines on.
The sock's we probably got about a 5 to 7 maybe. So already on the 6 for the Carbon Cub. Rise of Hobby. This is the original. Go back and watch some of the videos that we've done with this plane here, and there has been a lot of flying with this thing. This thing has taken some tumbles itself, but all in all, it's done absolutely perfect in there. Great trainer. Here we go. Let's see.
Gotta get it rolling straight.
Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Pretty straight.
All right.
Good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, y'all. Carbon Cub. Rise of Hobby. 2600 Admiral in it. Should be good. There we go, there we go. Had a finger out for a minute, but did good. Some trees over yonder. She looks good. You can see that wind a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Bouncing around a little bit. That's all right. She's flying good though. Oh yeah. It's real good. It's just a good flying little plane, and it looks good. Good and scale looking. You can see the wind playing with her a little bit, but it's all right. You got a 5-minute flight on this?
Yeah.
So this was RD's very first RC plane. We have had a lot of videos of this plane. Me and RD both pretty much learned to fly with this one for the most part.
Yeah, that was the first one you ever flew too.
Yep. out there at the school when we was at the other place flying. So we've had a lot of flights with this thing, and this is the original. Dad's got a brand new one at the house too that's ready to go. This one's taking some tumbles, but she still flies pretty good. Good low and slow. Oh yeah, nice.
My eyes are running water.
Wind. She looks good though.
We get a good photo of that thing.
Oh yeah. Good vidya. The wind's it's about like it was. It's about like it was last weekend. The wind is.
I think I'm gonna try to learn. I think I'm gonna try to land from the other side, Keith, because of the wind blowing.
Okay.
Oh, I can't see though.
Yeah, it's that glare.
Sun.
Either that or you may need to let it come by you a little bit. You know what I mean? Just land it back towards this way or something.
Yeah.
You gonna do the asphalt or the grass?
Asphalt.
Okay.
I'm gonna let her bounce.
20 seconds.
You coming in? Or you gonna come back around?
Flaps half. Flaps full. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You go. Look at him, buddy. Look at him, buddy. That was good. Ain't bad at all there. That'll work. See how she was coming out and she was kind of like easing in there sideways a little bit? That was pretty good. All right, already got a good flight on the Cub. Where you going, buddy? Those big old wheels on that thing.
I can't see it. My eyes are running water.
Wait a minute. I think he's stuck in a little rut. She's in a rut. A rut. Yeah, kind of nice little rut there. Oh, let's put her back on the runway here. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm trying to plane right here.
Oh, I see what it is.
All right, y'all. Good flight for the Cub. Did a good job. The Cub's always flying pretty good, so time to throw a warbird in there. Appreciate you guys watching. Here's DRAWDY RC. Got the Carbon Cub in there one more time.